Hello kids! My name is Daniela Beltran, and in this video we're going to learn about the sounds of English in the International Phonetic Alphabet. But what is the International Phonetic Alphabet? To put it in simple words, the International Phonetic Alphabet is a standard system for representing spoken language sounds. In this case, we're going to learn about the sounds of English. Let's begin with vowel sounds. There are two vowel sounds as you can see here. In this case, we are going to divide them into short sounds and long sounds. Short sounds and long sounds. There are 7 short sounds and 5 short sounds. Let's learn about each one of them. Let's begin with like in would, good, put, look. In second place, we have like cut, run, sun, or luck. In third place, we have a, like in cat, bat, sat, or fat. In fourth place, we have like about, sofa, banana, America. And in fifth place, we have a, like hit, sit, kit, or fit. In the long sounds, we have fourthly a, like in far, star, jar, car. Second place, we have a, like sir, bird, her, pearl. In third place, we have e, like be, free, free, me. In fourth place, we have like law, draw, flaw, paw. And in fifth place, we have like soon, moon, foot, or blue. Don't forget to keep practicing. Practice these sounds and compare them. What is the difference? Take a look and keep practicing.
Hello everyone, today my name is Sofia Minga. We're today going to do learning about the diphthong in the International Phonetic Alphabet. The diphthong is the one to the vowel sounds are the mixed together in the one syllable. Let's review to the list of the diphthong with the correct pronunciations. Number 1, I. Number 2, I. Number 3, O. Number 4, O. Number 5, OW. Number 6, I. Number 7, E. Number 8, UA. I am going to mention some small example with the words. Fly, cake, toy, house. The last word, snow. Let's practice with your students. Look at the images. Tell me to the words. Number 1. Time, perfect. Number 2. Play, good. Number 3. Boy, very good, students. Number 4. Perfect, students. Number 5. Phone, very good, students. Number 6. Clear, perfect. Number 7. Perfect, students. Sure. Let's check practice. Congratulations, students, with the words. We have practiced and recognized the diphthong. Bye-bye, students.
Greetings, students. Let's check the sound of the consonant within the International Phonetic Alphabet. While consonants are divided in different categories, we're ready to produce different types of sounds. We're going to use the mouth, lips, and the tongue. Let's start with the plosive consonants. These are sounds where we stop the air for a moment. For example, in p, t, d, k, k. Let's see some words with this consonant. Pen, bill, time, day, kilo, game. Now let's check the fricative consonant. There is a sound made by pushing air through a small gap in your mouth, and it's typical of these letters. S, sh, v, z, d, j. Let's check some words with these consonants. Fish, base, sun, zip, shark, treasure, think, that. In the nasal consonant, the nose helps to make the sound, and it comprehends the letter M and. Let's see some example. Moon, 9, and this symbol that the sound is like in the word ring. For liquid consonant, a soft sound is produced when air flows around your tongue and is present in the consonant L and R. For instance, leaf and red. And finally, glide consonant are made by a quick, smooth sound present in W and Y, for example, wing and yellow. Now, I'll make you some questions about the consonant sound, so get ready and listen. Let's start. You have some seconds to answer. So, what consonant does this sound belong to?
G.
Exactly. G is the correct answer. Now the second.
Y.
Congrats. Y is the correct answer. Okay, let's go with the third one.
L.
You're right. L is the correct answer. Now the third one.
V.
Perfect. V is the correct answer. And finally, the last one.
P.
Good. P is the correct answer. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Edgando and today we will learn what are voiced consonants, okay? Voiced consonants are sounds we make when our vocal cords vibrate as we speak. You can feel this vibration if you put your hand on your throat while saying words like bee or dog, okay? When we say a voiced consonant, our vocal cords buzz, like a B again, zzz, or like a little more inside our throat. Yes, that's why they're called voiced, because they have a small buzzing sound. Okay, now the voiced consonants we have are v, 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 v. For example, bat, ball, baby, cup, top, and rabbit. Rabbit. Yes. Next sound is the. For example, dog, dad, vet, sad, middle, and at. Okay. Next sound is g. For example, we have go, gate, bag, frog, game, and good. Yes? Next sound is v. For example, van, vase, love, very, give, and drive. Yes. Next sound is the. For example, we have this, that, father, mother, brother, and bright. Okay? Next sound is z. For example, zoo, zero, zip, bus, crazy, and prize. Yes? Excellent. Okay, next sound is j. ja, ja, ja. For example, measure, treasure, pleasure, vision, and leisure. And the last one, we have ja, 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 ja. For example, judge, jump, juice, jacket, and bridge. Bridge. Okay, that's all. And don't forget to repeat these sounds again one more time. Thank you.
Hello students, I'm Lilibet Cayo. Today we're going to learn about voiceless sounds. These are speech sounds produced without vibration of the vocal cords. In English, there are several types of voiceless sounds and they are divided into different categories according to their mode and place of articulation. Here I have a table of contents as we can see, three points, okay? First, voiceless plosives. Second, voiceless fricatives. And third, voiceless affricates. Here I explain the main dual sounds and some examples of words for each one. So, are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Okay, as a first point, we have the voiceless plosive. These sounds are produced by completely blocking the airflow and then releasing it explosively. Okay, the first consonant is P. For example, pen, cup, map, spin. The second consonant is T. For example, top, cat, bat, stop. The third consonant is K. For example, back, cup, skate, kitchen. As a second step, we have the voiceless fricatives. They are produced by restricting the flow of air, creating friction. The first consonant is F. For example, fish, fun, coffee, love. The second consonant is S. For example, sea, sun, class, eyes. The third consonant is sh. For example, she, fish, shampoo, brush. The fourth is the consonant is for example, think, path, bath, thank. Finally, we have the voiceless affricate. These sounds combine a plosive with a fricative. Okay. The only consonant that's covered this point is ch, ch. For example, ship, watch, match, catch. Well, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this information has been of great help to you.